Hello everyone, welcome in 2023. I hope you had some time to spend with people you love because work-life balance is important, don't forget about it. I was lazy during the holiday and I hope you were too. And it might be better if I posted this episode before the new year, but anyway, I decided to jump on the last train and talk about SEO trends for 2023 now. I don't want to waste too much of your time, so let's start. You have already heard a lot about artificial intelligence and how it will impact the industry. You even might thinking about, oh my god, whether this technology will replace my job position. I don't think so. My opinion is that this is like every trend. It comes and goes. And of course, I think artificial intelligence will impact our niche, but it's still a tool for making our life easier, to get rid of monkey job, and it's always better to be on one track and follow the new trends. But always, be a little bit skeptical when someone says this, oh my god, this technology will replace our jobs. Don't believe so. And instead concentrate on what ChatGPT could do for your job. So I have already tried a few activities, and I do believe Aleda Solis has already covered a lot of useful cases on how AI could be used to solve particular tasks. So far, this technology could help you to do keyword research and keyword clustering. It's a really good way on detecting intent, volume of the keywords, and classify them by different characteristics. A really cool one. Optimizing of content, creation of templates for link building campaigns, optimizing title and descriptions. If you write down the correct instructions on how to do it right, this tool is like really helpful. I will link to some sources on where you can play with technology, and also some templates which could be used to help you with those tasks. Structured data creation, it's always good to double check, but so far I found that ChatGPT can create schema markups really fast and really cool with all the needed information from your brand. And it also could help you with link building opportunities by classifying the website's potential for your link intersection, and by creating templates for email campaigns. Yeah, really cool, really interesting to see what else could this technology do for us. But let's move on and talk about EEAT. Maybe you have heard that Google updated the documentation on EAT and added E as an experience of those who creates content. It's always a good practice, and not only this year, but always, to let the user know who you are, to choose the right content creation and take care of your reputation. But also Google emphasizes that it cares about content who demonstrates that who was produced and what degree of experience, such as actual use of the product, having actually visited a place, or communicated what a person experienced in this field. And also not forget about mobile usability, mobile for indexing, because you should make sure that Google can access and render JavaScript and find CSS correctly on your site. Make sure that content is the same on desktop and mobile versions, especially after the re-apps. When something good got wrong, or periodically one in a year, for instance, for small websites, maybe more frequently, try to compare how part of your content are represented. Check your structured data on both versions, because sometimes it also could be different. Last but not least, I want to say, I may sound like a broken record, but I do believe that SEO does not work in vacuum without interaction with other departments. It's all part of digital experience and keeping the audience engaged and aware of your brand with all possible channels, not only about SEO. And you might say to me, okay, and it's like really easy to say, but what you're supposed to do? I do believe SEO couldn't be replaced with artificial intelligence because of our social skills. And it could depend greatly on whether you could find way to promote your goals, to promote your vision of what is important to do on your site. For content creators, to create engagement content, infographics, ebooks, calculators, and some other stuff. How to work better together with development team to get your tasks optimized better, how to keep the audience engaged and aware of the brand together with all those people, because SEO is not about getting on top position of Google. It's about to stay there, and even if you are not on the top, it doesn't matter, because Google make a lot of changes to visualization, to zero-click position, to rich snippets results. So I do believe you should focus more on what value brand gives and how to implement your SEO strategy in a general marketing process. Yeah, nothing new, but anyway, I do believe it's like important factor in this year. And tip for me, don't focus on trends, stick with basic good SEO. As one of my favorite SEO analysts says, ladies always, stop chasing, start optimizing. Don't be trapped in endless bug fixing process, start optimizing and building understanding users. Because it's so easy to dive deep in technical SEO, finding all missing alt tags for images or incorrect anchors for internal links. But in general, if you don't see the strategy on where your efforts is going, it's like nothing. It's not measurable results and nothing to be, excited about. Explore search intent as well as search features and opportunities to attract more visibility with rich snippets, with additional new forms of the content, as we mentioned before, with understanding of what intent your audience have for each targeted query. And if you're unsure whether making change on your website will positively or negatively affect SEO, run SEO tests. It's easy to say, and a lot of SEO specialists is scary to conduct those tests because it's really difficult to do it correctly. But anyway, I do believe if you don't know, the all templates and how to split the A/B test right, it's still you still can make some SEO tests, even on a small website, by just trying new things and trying to get records. I believe efforts are more important than to do everything right. Better to do something than not to do SEO testing at all and don't know what bring you traffic and what doesn't. So yeah, nothing new, but I hope you find something insightful for you. Let me know in comments if I missed something, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channels and like this video. It's really important for me to get some feedback from you, whether my content, what I'm saying, make any difference for you, and let me know about anything important I could miss in this video. Thank you, and I wish you once again much more beautiful things in your life during 2023. Thank you and bye bye.